Hello guys, welcome back to Malik 034 channel. This is Malik Arjun. So again, as I said, this is going to be one of the continuation series for my Terraform tutorial, and all the tutorial, like all the documents are available in my blog. You can go to DevOps and Terraform, and yesterday we have seen about understanding of what is infrastructure as a code, and what is the infrastructure, and what are the tools available for infrastructure as a code, infrastructure as a code, right? So we understand about that. If you are confident on that, let's start with the today's session that is precisely talks about Terraform. And in our previous class, we talked why Terraform and what are the advantages of Terraform, and what are the competitors for the Terraform, right? Like so many competitors, so many tools are available as a infrastructure as a code. So, but Terraform is a widely used tool in most of the organization. So let's understand why it is widely used and what are the advantages of Terraform. Right. Terraform is a basically we all already seen is a IAC, infrastructure as a code. Terraform is a tool that we can use this tool as a IAC, infrastructure as a code. With the help of Terraform, we can perform below operations or the task in our infrastructure. So with the help of Terraform, we can provision our infrastructure. We can update our infrastructure, update in the sense, increasing or decreasing my infrastructure components and deleting my infrastructure component, right? Again, we saw in our previous class, what are my infrastructure components? VMs, Linux VMs, Windows VMs, network, load balancer, databases, and routers, whatever it may be. With the help of Terraform, we can write a script, and by running those script, we can provision our infrastructure component, like be it is a VM, or be it is a network load balancer, be it is a VPC, be it is a Kubernetes, whatever it is, be it is a namespace deployment, everything we can write it in a code, and we can run those code, and we can build those infrastructure components. Terraform is an IAC software, infrastructure as a code software by HashiCorp. So if you don't know about HashiCorp, and this is the official website, www.hashicorp.com, and you can go to hashicorp.com and you can read about hashicorp.com, what are those and what they are basically do and all those things. And we do have official site like terraform.io. You can have a lot of things with the Terraform.io, and then you can go through all the documents and all in the Terraform.io. Right, so Terraform provides you capability to create, a change, update, improve, delete, and versioning of your infrastructure component. Right, so and then Terraform is called as a multi-cloud IAC tool. What that mean, multi-cloud IAC tool mean, like you can use this Terraform for all the major cloud provider and manage your infrastructure in that. If you are having a AWS, and if you are having your GCP, Google Cloud, Azure, VMware, IBM, OpenStack, Kubernetes, whatever the cloud provider it is, you can use the Terraform software, and you can manage your cloud administration activities. You can you can spin up your VMs, and you can decommission your VMs, and you can modify your VMs. You can spin up your load balancer, and you can spin up your Kubernetes. You can spin up your pod, and you can spin up your namespace. Everything you can do it using a Terraform by writing a simple code, right? And the Terraform is written in a Go language. Sorry, there's a typo here. It's written in a Go language. And the Go language, you have an official website here. You can always visit this official website. It has a lot of things you can go to. This is like open source software, and you can read more on the Go language. And then, as I already discussed in our previous class, the similar tool like Terraforms are your AWS Cloud Formation from AWS, Azure Google Resource Manager from Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Deployment Manager from Google. All are like different vendors or different tools similar to Terraform, but Terraform is the one widely used in the industry because this is a multi-cloud compatible tool. With the help of Terraform, you can manage your AWS cloud, Azure cloud, Google cloud, your vSphere, OpenStack, Kubernetes, everything you can manage it with the help of Terraform. Right, so how you can download Terraform and how you can install Terraform, we will see it in our next class. Right, you can always go back to my channel Malik034, and then you can search for a channel, search for a playlist Terraform tutorial. You will see all these videos. Thank you guys.